What's in the box? What's in today's box? We have Jurassic World Dominion Minis, blind boxes. What I have in front of me is 8 of them. Before I get to opening these guys up, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more dinosaur videos. So, let's get to having a look at these. These are 8 boxes. Hopefully I got the whole set. On top of them, they just have the focus. There we go. They have the dinosaurs that are going to be in the set. So there's 8 possibilities. I have 8 boxes in front of me. Hopefully I have one of each. Side of the box is just Jurassic World Minis logo. Jurassic World Minis on the front with a choking hazard warning. Jurassic World Dominion Minis again. On the back we have some legal. And on the bottom, more legal. And the barcode. Now what I did was I looked for this code here. I'm not sure if this is the correct code to go by, but as you see it says D01A. So I got D01A, D02A, all the way through D08A. So I'm assuming that's how we make sure we have these sets. So this is not quite blind. This is educational guess unboxing. Alright, so let's have a look. Crack these guys open. See what's in them. Come on. Oh, these guys are sealed pretty good. There we go. Alright, the first one is 1. And that looks like we got a little T-Rex. Very rubbery. Is his jaw articulated? Yes, his jaw is articulated. Can we get a good shot of him? There we go. There's our T-Rex. So put that aside. And that seems to correspond to the first position here. So let's see if 2 is also in the correct position. Oh. There's a little perforated repair thing, so that's kind of fun. So we'll throw that aside. Oh, another thing. In each of these appears to be just a list of the minis. Checklist. So we can make sure we got them all. So it looks like this one here is a Gigantosaurus. Once more articulated jaw. Rubbery figure. And does T-Rex have that? Yes, they all have the... Can we focus that? They all have the Jurassic World logo. Jurassic World T-Rex logo on the bottom. So there's our Gigantosaurus, our T-Rex, Gigantosaurus. Let's move these plastic bubbles off to the side. So now we got number 3. Once more, let's have some fun and just press and rip. So these little mini cargo containers just open up. And in here we have, I don't know if that's not following the sequence. I would assume the next one in the sequence to be the what I believe is a monoclonius or something, and the Therizinosaur. But looks like we got the Stegosaur and the Raptor, and the Raptor's upside down. Stegosaur His Thagomizer is articulated. Put him aside. Little tiny raptor. These will be food for Blue, probably. He's got a very tiny logo on his foot. Little raptor. We'll set him aside. Now, this is number 5. Let's go for 4 here. Once more, code 4. Let's rip this out. Okay, this is a different one. Number 4 here. And we have little tiny blue. Little tiny blue. Focus. And is he the same mold as the other Velociraptor? Nope, they are not the same mold. Neat. Or are they? No, they are not. That is neat. All right. Then we have what I believe Yangchuanosaurus. He has trouble staying up. Now, the very little ones are not articulated in any way. Once more, his mouth is going to be articulated. Yep. So we'll set him aside. Set the plastic bubble aside. Once more, he comes with the checklist. All right, this is 5A. Let's see what happens. See if we got something different. Oh, now we have if there is an Therizinosaur checklist. We have the Therizinosaur, and that is not a monoclonus. That is. Does it have the name here? That is a Lystrosaurus. A Lystrosaurus. There we have the Therizinosaur. Freddy Krueger of the dinosaurs. His arms are articulated as opposed to the jaw. All right, so what do we got here? This is number 6. Crack this open. And we have instructions behind the checklist fill out. Looks like we have a Gallimimus. And this looks to be the Quetzalcoatlus. And those wings are articulated, so they can flap. I'll set that aside. Number 7, we're getting near the end. Oh, there goes the checklist. We'll set that box aside. And what do we got here? Looks like a Baryonyx. No articulation on the Baryonyx. And then this here looks to be an Iguanodon. No articulation on the Iguanodon. They all have very nice paint apps. And our final one. Oop, T-Rex fell. This is 34101SD08A. And this here should be the Triceratops and one of the pterodactyls, or not pterodactyls, pterosaurs. Pteranodon. And yes, Triceratops. Can we focus? Sometimes it get out the old pointy. There we go. Triceratops. And the pterodon. Neither have any articulation. Focus. There we go. But still very nice rubbery sculpts. So there we have them. Let me line them all up. T-Rex has a hard time standing on his own. Little gimpy foot. And there we have our blind packed Jurassic World minis. That should be the entire collection for these blind packs. It is. So, at this point, I'd like to thank you for watching. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed it, so you don't miss out on any future unboxing videos. If you didn't like it, make sure you let me know why in the comments so I can improve. Always looking to improve. But at this point, thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.